Bitcoin halving. If you're curious about what it is, why it matters, and how it affects the crypto market, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. Here's how it works. In the Bitcoin network, new Bitcoins are created through a process called mining. Miners solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. As a reward for their efforts, they receive newly minted Bitcoins. However, with each halving, this reward is cut in half. Interestingly, after each halving, we've witnessed a significant impact on the price and market sentiment. Many believe this is due to the reduced supply of new Bitcoins, leading to potential scarcity and increased demand.
When Bitcoin was launched in 2009, the block reward was 50 Bitcoin. After the first halving in 2012, it was reduced to 25, then to 12.5 in 2016, 6.25 in 2020. The next halving event is expected in 2024, likely mid-April, where the block reward will further drop to 3.125 Bitcoin. The halving cycle impacts the supply of new Bitcoin entering the market. Over time, as the reward for mining decreases, the rate at which new Bitcoin are created slows down. This mechanism continues until the maximum supply of 21 million Bitcoin has been mined, which is expected to happen around the year 2140. Here's an interesting fact about the mathematical structure of the halving cycles. The design of Bitcoin's issuance model is such that after each halving cycle, approximately 50% of the remaining Bitcoin to ever be mined is issued in that cycle. So, at the end of each cycle, the percentage of total Bitcoin left to be mined corresponds roughly to the block reward from the previous cycle, expressed as a percentage of the total supply of 21 million Bitcoin. For instance, at the end of the first halving cycle, when the block reward went from 50 to 25, about 50% of the total supply of Bitcoin were left to be mined. At the end of the second halving cycle, when the block reward went from 25 to 12.5, about 25% were left. At the end of the third, when the reward went from 12.5 to 6.25, about 12.5% were left. In the current cycle, the block reward is 6.25 Bitcoin. At the beginning of this cycle, there were around 18.375 million Bitcoin in existence, 87.5% of the total supply, leaving that 12.5% or 2.625 million Bitcoin yet to be mined. At the end of this cycle, and again that's 2024, the block reward will halve to 3.125 Bitcoin. By this time, we'll have about 19.6875 million Bitcoin in existence, or 93.75% of the total supply, leaving just 6.25%, or 1.3125 million Bitcoin, yet to be mined.
As we approach the next Bitcoin halving, many questions arise. Will the pattern of price appreciation continue? Will it attract more institutional interest? Will it lead to more adoption? While no one can predict the future with certainty, analyzing historical trends and market dynamics can provide insights. Remember, the crypto market can be unpredictable, but understanding these key events can help you make informed decisions. See you next time.